Online returns are now more efficient than ever. Let's take a quick look at how it's done. First, go to partstown.com/returns and follow the link to get started. Enter your order number and billing zip code, which can be found on your invoice. You will then see all items eligible for return. Click the item or items you want to return and answer a few simple questions, like the reason for your return and how you'd like to ship your item back to us. No math questions, we promise. When you click Submit, you'll be able to print your shipping label and see packing instructions. That's it! You've completed an online return. Nice work!